Today I am talk about departmentalization. Departmentalization is a process wherein teams are combined together into functional unit is called as departmentalization. Departments on the basis of their area specialization to achieve the goals of the organization. In this way, the entire organization is divided into parts. Departments which comprise of a group of employees who carry over activities of similar nature. It determines the functions which are to be housed together and coordinated at the same place. In a corporate ladder, every level below the top is departmentalized and subsequent level is differentiated into departments. Level executives group activities in various functions such as production, marketing, finance, human resource, research and development. Division of labor creates specialized who need coordination. Objectives of the departmentalization: to specialize activities, to simplify the process and operations of the organization, to maintain control. Types of departmentalization: there are 6 types of departmentalization. They are functional, product, customer, geographic, process and divisional. Functional departmentalization: the company creates department based on their function. Product: it perfects for a large scale company that deals with the multi products. Customer: in this departmentalization, the customer focuses on customer needs and wants. Geographic: a company organizes departments along geographic lines. Process: when a company group activities by the production process. Divisional: when a corporation starts independent lines that operate as separate entities. Stages of departmentalization. Departmentalization is an effective grouping that enables meaningful work. It is easy to coordinate different work in the same development. Achieve economic advantages. Departmentalization enables utilization of local conditions via low operational cost. Disadvantages of departmentalization: in coordination between different departments. When a company group activities and people in one specific department, there is little room for flexibility. Too much emphasis on specialization. Rising conflicts between different departments. Factors of departmentalization: there are 5 factors of departmentalization. They are specialization, control, coordination, proper attention and economy. Specialization: it helps the workers to become expert in their field so that it can maximize efficiency. Control: effective control will help a company to achieve the objective of a company. Coordination: yet several activities are in urgent need of coordination. Proper attention: it is an important factor in creating departments. Economy: when you create separate department, it increases the cost of a company in terms of personnel, equipment and additional space. Thank you.